Welcome back to Easy Learning with Palakshi, and today's our topic is English grammar for beginners. Tenses. Introduction. Definition. A period of time in which a particular action is performed is known as tense. Types of tenses. There are total 48 types of tense. They are first basically past, present and future. Then these are divided into four types, which are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And then these four types are divided into affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. Affirmative sentences means positive sentences. Example, he is driving a car. She has spoken to her sister. Negative sentences, he is not driving a car. She has not spoken to her sister. Interrogative sentences are sentences which ask question. Example, is he driving a car? Has she spoken to her sister? Interrogative negative sentences ask question but in negative form. Example, is he not driving a car? Or we can say, isn't he driving a car? Has she not spoken to her sister? Or we can say, hasn't she spoken to her sister? Present, first, simple present, formation, subject plus first form of verb or first form of verb plus s or es in singular case. In singular case, or we can say as singular verb plus object. Do and does are used for interrogative and negative sentences. Do is used as plural and does is used as singular. Example, the doctor treats the patients. Here, the verb treats contains s. So, this is singular verb. And this is a affirmative sentence. They do not play guitar. Here, do is used as plural because there is a plural subject. And as there is a not, it is negative sentence. Does the doctor treats the patients? Does. Does is singular used for singular verb and it is an interrogative sentence. So it is interrogative sentence. Doesn't the doctor treats the patients? This is interrogative negative sentence. Use of present indefinite. Present indefinite is also known as simple present. Use 1 to express general truths. Example, the earth rotates around its axis. Honey is sweet. Use 2 to express habitual action. Example, my granny visits the temple every day. I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Third, to express actions that are part of a fixed timetable. Example, the school starts at 8 a.m. Second, present continuous formation is or am or are plus first form of verb plus ing. Is used for singular noun or singular subject. Am is used only for I and are is used for plural subjects. Second, present continuous formation, to be verb plus first form of verb plus ing. The doctor is treating the patients. This is affirmative sentence. The doctor is not treating the patients is negative sentence. Is the doctor treating the patients is interrogative sentence. Isn't the doctor treating the patients is interrogative negative sentence. Use of present continuous. First, to express actions that are going on at the time of speaking. Example, the students are preparing notes. My brother is watching a web series. I am searching a new flat. Please focus on this sentence. In this sentence, it is saying I am searching a new flat. But this doesn't mean that at this time of speaking, I am doing that action. Instead, it means that I am speaking, but in background activities, I am doing it. Second, to express an action that has already been planned to take place in near future. Example, we are going for a movie tonight. She has her exam tomorrow. Third, present perfect, has or have plus third form of verb. Has is used for singular subject and have is used for plural subjects. You might also be knowing that for singular subjects, we use singular verb and for plural subjects, we use plural verb. The doctor has treated the patients. This is affirmative sentence. The doctor has not treated the patients is negative sentence. Has the doctor treated the patients is interrogative sentence. And hasn't the doctor treated the patients is interrogative negative sentence. Use of present perfect. To indicate complete activities in the immediate past using just. Example, he has just gone out of the room. Note, we do not use just in past perfect and future perfect. Second, for actions whose time is not given or not definite. Example, I have had my breakfast. Many times in book we see two helping verbs and many times we think that it is wrong but it is correct. The word have is helping verb and had is main verb. Mr. Kapoor has been to Japan. Note, helping verb also have first form of verb, second form of verb and third form of verb. First form, second form and third form of helping verb. Helping verb, first form, second form, third form. To have form, has and have come in first form of verb. Had comes in second and third form of verb. To be verb, is and are come in first form of verb. Was and were come in second form of verb. Been come in third form of verb. Verb to do and does comes in first form of verb. Did comes in second form of verb. And done comes in third form of verb. Fourth, present perfect continuous. Formation, has or have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for. The doctor has been treating the patients since 8 o'clock. Here this sentence is affirmative as it is positive. The doctor has not been treating the patients since 8 o'clock. Here it is negative sentence as it between helping verb and been is a not. Negative word. Has the doctor been treating the patient since 8 o'clock? This is interrogative sentence. And hasn't the doctor been treating the patient since 8 o'clock? Is interrogative negative. Use of present perfect continuous to express actions that begin in some time in the past and still continuing. Example, the army has been fighting terrorism. It means it had started ago and has been fighting till now. Difference between since and for. Since refers to specific point in time and for refers to specific periods of time. Since can be used in past and present tense but cannot be used in future tense. For can be used with other tenses including the future. Example of since. I have been knowing this job since January. This is a specific point in time. And for example, I have been knowing this job for 12 weeks. Here it is telling the duration, periods of time. Here is a list of verbs in present, past, and past participle. Win, won, won, tell, told, told, sing, sang, sung, know, knew, known, keep, kept, kept, go, went, gone, get, got, gotten, cut, 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 come, came, come, break, broke, broken, built, 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 begin, began, begun, eat, ate, eaten, choose, chose, chosen, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, blow, blew, blown. Question for the day. Find the incorrect part of the sentence. If nothing is wrong, then choose no error. All the faith that she had no effect on the outcome of her life. No error. Give answer of this in the comment box. Now you know about present tense. In my next video, you will know about past tense. Till then, thank you.